Chris here. We're at MVL Leasing in Oakville, Ontario, Canada, and we'll be shooting a 2006 Mercedes SLR McLaren, one of only about 2,000 ever made. So let's get started.
This is probably one of the nicest examples of a Mercedes SLR McLaren, as it only has about 2,700 kilometers on it. The car has a flat underbody with a carbon fiber rear diffuser. The brakes are of carbon ceramic brake discs, fade resistant up to 1,200 degrees or 220 Fahrenheit. The aerodynamics of this car are very efficient and designed with a very low drag coefficient. At a set speed, the rear spoiler can raise 10 degrees automatically for increased downforce. You can adjust the elevation up to 30 degrees via the driver's switch in the interior. The rims are some special 3-piece monoblock BRABUS rims. And here is your hand-built 5.4 liter supercharged V8 made entirely of aluminum. The engine sits just behind the front axle, shifting the center of gravity to make it handle better. Walking around the car, there's no dents down the side. The car is perfect condition. Rims are in perfect condition as well. For the transmission, they use the AMG Speed Shift R, which is a 5-speed automatic transmission. They used a 5-speed over a 7-speed at the time for increased durability, as the 7-speed was a bit more complex and used more parts. The car uses a carbon fiber reinforced plastic construction to keep the weight low, despite weighing in around 3,800 pounds. Acceleration times are 0 to 100 km/h in 3.3 seconds, or 0 to 62 miles an hour. Top speed is 334 km/h, or 208 miles per hour. These are your carbon fiber seats. They're very lightweight, and they hug you very well. Right now the car has about 2,700 kilometers, making it one of the lowest mileage ones out there. Condition is fantastic. There's no dents down the side, there's no stone chips. The interior is in brand new shape. It's not very difficult getting in and out of the SLR. You just kind of have to slide in how I show you right here. You can see, just looking at the steering wheel, the buttons aren't faded or anything. The steering wheel leather is still in great shape. It's not faded, it's not worn down by any means. The dash is in great shape as well. It looks like the previous owner probably kept it in a garage storage somewhere, because there's no damage from the sun or anything like that. It's really, really well kept. And the center console is very simple. There's no screens or any fancy stuff like that. It's just, this is a car from a totally different era where it was just all about performance. But you do get some nice convenience features with it. Very cool design with the engine start and the shifter built in like that. And you have some nice leather armrests and storage. One thing I really like is the entire headliner and the sun visors are all Alcantara, suede-like material. Power seat controls, power windows, and the door switches down there on the bottom. Yeah, amazing craftsmanship all the way around, and you get some nice Bose audio with that as well.
Alright then, that was a 2006 Mercedes SLR McLaren. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Also check out mvl.ca to see the rest of their inventory. We're very impressed.
MVL Leasing is an exotic car dealership in Oakville, Ontario, Canada, where they offer leasing and financing of some of the world's best exotic cars. They are able to ship cars to other countries like Germany or China, and if there's a particular car you're looking for, MVL can try and source it for you. If you're interested in purchasing or leasing an exotic car, be sure to contact me via email.